So Outlaws, check it out. So you got this LED lamp, wireless charger, wireless speaker, mood light, wireless charger, alarm clock. We're gonna check this out. So you have an input, all this information you see right here. Well, let's give this a try. Quick thumbnail. Ka-ching, got it. All right, let's open this up. Look at that. Holy smokes, I can charge my phone now. There's a plug it came with. So I'll plug it into the port and we'll see how this lovely clock works. See, it turns it on. Brighter, brighter, brightest. All right here, and then I put my phone like this. So very good alarm clock. Now I can put my phone here. I don't even have to plug it in anymore. Just plug it in this and it'll charge. All right, so we have it plugged in. What does this do? Turns on the clock. Well, it's already plugged in. What does that button do? Okay, try it again. Kind of a kicky tune. Let's try FM. That's the radio. It's pretty annoying. That's pretty cool. You can dim the light. Hit this button right here. So, and then press this one. Must be for alarms. Okay, that just raises the volume of your... So you just get white noise with this device. It's a very nice alarm clock. I'm looking forward to trying it. So guys, I'll just give you their website information. You can check out YunWT's website. So yeah, that's it for this. Put a phone, you charge it right here. I explained everything to you guys. I think it's like for charging. I see some watches in this part, but I don't have anything to charge it with. But it's a nice wireless charger. So go to YunWT's website, which is on Amazon. I will give you the links below in the description below. All right, guys. Thanks for the collaboration, YunWT. This is a nice alarm clock, and I'm looking forward to using this. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Outlaws Generation out.